Hello! In this video I will show you how to set up parental controls on OPPO Find X8 Pro. So you have to start by opening your settings application, and then you have to go to Google tab, and then go to all services, and then you have to find parental controls. Then click Let's do this, and click Sign in. Now select Google, and here you have to enter your child email address. Then click Next. And now you have to enter your child password. Then click I agree. And click Accept. Now click on Supervise. And click Next. Then you have to enter your parent email. Then click Next. And here you have to enter your parent password. And now you have to scroll all the way down, and here you have to enter your child password again. Now click Next. And click Allow. Then you have to scroll down and click Next. And click Done. And as you can see, my parental controls is now set up. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.